Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to polish this aluminum plate with the Meguiar's metal polish to reveal a mirror shine. So what we're going to do is take some of this Meguiar's metal polish, place it on our Scott Blue shop towel, then we're just going to rub it in to this aluminum tray until it's as dark as possible. Then I'm going to grab another Scott Blue shop towel to wipe away all this polish to reveal a mirror shine. This polish is made to remove oxidation, stains, and light swirls while remaining safe on uncoated metals. It uses mild polishing agents to restore shine without scratching or altering the surface. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.